Hi guys, I was gifted these tags from the seller. It does work with Android and the Find Hub app. Let's open it up out of the box so I can show you what it looks like. I have used other brands of these and they work great in finding stuff or tracking stuff. There was another one that we used that we went on a trip, hooked these to our luggage, and we had an overnight stay. And we were able to see where our luggage was, you know, that it was still at the airport and stuff while we were at the hotel. So it's kind of cool to keep track of things like that. So this is what they look like. It's a 4-pack. It's got a little sound on it there. So it does come with all your instructions. Doesn't need any special app. It's just that Find Hub app that you already have installed on your Android. So what do we have here? Look, we got some replacement batteries. It just takes this style. They're pretty common batteries. We got little keychain rings, so that's kind of cool. We got a little opener here to install the batteries if you need to replace them. I'm going to go ahead and hook this up, and I'll show you how it works in the app. So first you got to open your Find Hub account. Let me sign in to my account. All right, I'm signed into my account. So I got I already did one of these tags just to show you how you can find things. But it's really easy to add a new tag. Once the Find Hub app is opened, all you do is push this little power button here. Boom, found it. So let's go ahead and click continue. And use responsibility, adding to the Find Hub network. Open the app. It's connecting to the device for the first time. Now you can rename these tags to anything you want. The other one I did, I named keys. And you can see it gives you the battery status. And you can play the sound, so you can just click play sound. And boom, you can hear it playing the sound. So you can stop playing the sound. I'm going to go hide this in my house, and we'll see if we can find it just by the sound. Now, if you always lose your keys like I do, this is nice. Put it on your keys, and then you can just click play sound. You can connect it to whatever you want. And you can hear it. Oh, look at this. There it is. We found it. And when you're done, you just click stop playing. Let's go ahead and look for another tag that I had dropped. Let's see. Keys. Where are the keys at? Well, looks like it's out by the road. So let's go look out there. Let's go look for my keys. It looks like they're out by the road. I was doing some work out here, so let's see if we can go find it. And when we get closer to the spot, then we'll just click play sound and see if we can find it. And kind of getting closer to the radius of where it last saw the tag. So we're going to click play sound. Oh, look at this. And there's my keys. And then you just click stop sound. Now, if you need to share this device, it's really easy. You just click share device. And then this is the thing where it lets you share, and this link will let you share to one person for 24 hours. So if you want somebody to be able to track you for 24 hours or whatever, if you're going on the trip, you just set that and give them that link, and then they'll be able to track your location. So if this tag is lost, you can also click mark as lost, and then it puts it in lost state, and somebody else that has a fine hub and network locates it, boom, it'll notify you. So that's pretty cool if you ever lose your stuff. So there you have it. You learned everything you need to know about these tags and how to set them up and how they work. So if you guys are in the market for some tags to track your keys or luggage, wallet, whatever you need to track, go ahead and get this. You're going to love them. Thanks.